Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we're back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, we are doing a Ulta haul. This haul is what I purchased on Black Friday. Also, I made another order before Black Friday, which I still haven't received, but we will get into that in the video. So if you guys want to see what I got for Black Friday from Ulta, then just keep on watching. So I have my little box of goodies right here. You know, this is what it's looking like. So let's just get started. Okay, so I got two sprays and they are both from Makeup Revolution. So the first scent is Cherry Truffle. This is a makeup fixing spray. This is what it looks like. Super cute packaging, pretty simple, just a red label, red cap. The liquid is clear, and this comes with 3.38 fluid ounces. I will try to leave the prices on the screen if I remember, because you know, I suck. So the second spray that I got is also from Revolution. I feel like I said that already, but just in case I didn't, it's from Revolution. So this is the Rose Fizz scent. And this is also a makeup fixing spray, and this one is pretty much like that one, just rose gold packaging, you know, rose gold cap, rose gold label, clear liquid as well. This one has the same amount of product in it. Then I got the Makeup Revolution Pore Blur and Prime Primer, and this is what it looks like. You know, you guys know I'm a sucker for this type of color and packaging. This comes with 0.95 fluid ounces. I've been really into pore filling primers lately and pore blurring primers. So yeah, I can't wait to try this. Also, the majority of the stuff that I got is from Makeup Revolution because they were having a pretty good sale on Black Friday. So I racked up on the stuff that I wanted because I have a whole wish list on every single makeup website that I go to. So I just, you know, got the stuff that was on my wish list. The next thing that I got is from I Heart Revolution. It is the chocolate banana baking powder. They did have a regular banana one, which I will be getting later on down the road, depending on if I like this one or not. But this is just super cute. You got 0.77 ounces in here. This is what the box looks like. It's super cute. And then this is what the actual packaging looks like. It has bananas and chocolate on the cap. So when I open it, it comes with the little poofy thing, which I don't really use these. I prefer to use my sponge or a brush to apply powder to my face. It does have a sticker on it, which looks like it should be fun to open, but this is what it looks like. It looks like it's kind of my skin tone type of powder, like the color. So hopefully this works out for me. I don't know what it is lately. I've been looking for like the best setting powder out there that isn't translucent, because translucent powders on me, I feel like give me a white cast, which is super, super annoying. So the next thing I got is not new. Well, I haven't tried this particular one, but I have tried this formula before. I'm hoping that they're the same. So I got the Makeup Revolution Super Size Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. I got this one in the shade C10.5. This is what it looks like. I did get the regular one last time, like the regular short, cute one. I figured, you know, I like the formula. I do want to repurchase it. So I decided to go with the super size one. And the shade I got before was a bit too light for me. So I went a bit deeper, and this looks like it'll be like my everyday makeup type of color. Like when I try to do the no makeup look. So I believe when I got the one that I had before this, it was in the shade like C.8 or somewhere around there. So again, this is shade C10.5, and let's just do a little swatch. Yeah, this is definitely going to be like my, more like my skin tone type of concealer. So I would definitely use this on my no makeup days, and I already know how this formula is. I'm assuming it's the same. It's just a bigger container of product. I really do like it. It's super full coverage and not drying under the eye and barely creases on me. If it does, because I didn't really notice any creases when I used this product. So yeah, I'm happy that I have this back in my collection. Then the next product I got is also a concealer that I have been dying to try, which I might make a dedicated video on. I mean, everybody raves about this concealer, but I mean, is it really that good? And if you know what I'm talking about, comment down below right now. And yes, it is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I have to look at the box when I say this because the other day, you're probably gonna laugh when I say this, but the other day I was trying to explain to my niece that I got this concealer and I was like, the Tarte tape, because you know, this is very tongue twisting to say, okay? So I have the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Everybody raves about this concealer. It's full coverage, is the best concealer ever, yada, yada, yada. So I got mine in the shade 34S, which is medium sand. And the reason why I got this, because I feel like it's really hard for me to justify spending $30 on a concealer when there's so many good ones at the drugstore, like, or even that Makeup Revolution one, which is like $11, it's still half the price of this. I don't know where this sale came from, but when I saw it, I made another order and I was like, I need to get this concealer to try it. It was on sale for either $17 or $19 at Ulta for about a few days. So I was like, why not? Why not? And I'm very scared that if I like this, I'm going to have to keep on repurchasing it because this is almost a $30 concealer. I want to say it's like $27. So yeah, this is what this color looks like. This one is a bit more lighter, but not too light. Like I still could use this to, oh, I don't even want to waste a swatch of this concealer because it's expensive. So this is the shade Medium Sand. As you can see, it is a bit more lighter than the Makeup Revolution concealer, but it will definitely work, I think, for me. So can't wait to try this. Again, I might be doing a separate video because I have so much new makeup that it's not all going to be able to be used in one full face of first impression. So there will be certain dedicated videos on certain products. So if you've seen any products that if you want to see me do a dedicated review on from either my Shop Miss A haul, my like collective Marshalls and Target and Everywhere haul, or from this haul, then comment down below and I will definitely do that for you guys. I have 4 products left, although I should have 7. Again, I will explain that in the end. So the next product I got is a foundation, and I'm going to be completely honest, ever since I saw this launch and everybody been reviewing it on YouTube, I've been dying to try it. Like, the packaging caught my eye, like there's just something about it, and the finish on everyone's skin looks amazing. Again, if you can guess what foundation I'm talking about, comment down below. So I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. And this is what it looks like when you first purchase it. It comes in this nice little shiny silver packaging. I got the shade 332C. Okay, you probably can't like see that, but yeah, 332C. Before I take it out, on the box, it does say that it is vegan, gluten-free, alcohol-free, clinically tested, dermatologist tested, ophthalmologist tested, non-comedogenic, suitable for sensitive skin, long wearing, and no flashback. Now that is claims if I've ever seen any. So it comes out like that. Super fancy packaging. Again, this foundation is like close to $30, I want to say, maybe more. But this is what it looks like. It says Anastasia Beverly Hills right here, and then it says foundation on the back. I love it. It's a glass bottle. Like, the packaging is super like eye-catching to me, like simple and sleek for me, you know? So again, shade 332C. The shelf life on this is 12 months after you open it. And I picked this shade out online, and I think I found the perfect match. So let's just do a little pump and see. A little pump right here. Okay, so this is the foundation, and You guys know how I feel about finding the perfect matching foundation, like, and this was online. Like, I think I'm getting good at this. Definitely going to be doing a dedicated video on this because it's a high-end foundation. Come on. And I want to know if the hype is real. I'm going to be doing a wear test, a first impressions, a review, everything I could do on that foundation, I'm going to do. Okay, so the next product I got is also from Revolution. This is the Renaissance lip liner. It's a waterproof, long-wearing lip liner in the shade Glory. And it's basically a brown lip liner. Super cute packaging. Okay, so this is what the lip liner looks like. It basically says Revolution here and then Glory right here. I really do like this packaging. I'm a sucker for rose gold packaging. You guys know rose gold anything I'm a sucker for, to be honest. So yeah, the cap and the bottom is brown, which indicates the color. And wow, that is sharp. So let's see. Wow, that is like a true brown. I'm so happy that I'm finding these brown lip liners. I don't know how this is going to look on me, but still, my favorite brown lip liner is BFF4 from ColourPop. Like, super good. I love their formula too. It's like ultra creamy. Then I got a liquid lip. I got the Revolution Matte Liquid Lip in the shade Vow. This is what it looks like. It comes in a frosted bottle or, you know, container tube thing. Super cute packaging. I love frosted anything. And that is my type of nude, sis. Look at that color. Yeah, I'm probably gonna really like this color. I might have to purchase like 10 more, so be on the lookout. Then the last product that I purchased from Ulta, technically not really, you know, I'll explain at the end. Is this e.l.f. blush. This is the Mellow Mauve blush. Super cute. Packaging, of course. Delete that part. So I like the packaging. It's super like simple and appealing. And I love like mauve blushes on my skin tone. I do have to be careful because if I go overhand, it looks like a bruise. But if I go light-handed and apply the right amount, it looks really, really pretty. So this is what the blush looks like. Super simple packaging. I thought it was going to be a little bit like more matte, the packaging, but this is what the blush looks like. I think it's going to be a really pretty color. So I can't wait to use that. It looks like it has like blue glitters in it. I hope that doesn't come through. So I did get one more product, but it is not from Ulta. These are some false lashes from Dodo Lashes. These are in the style D119. This is what they look like. Super cute. So I will be trying these on as well when I do my first impressions, whenever that is. So that is everything for this haul. Now, throughout the video, I was talking about I ordered 3 more products. I'm going to put a picture here on the screen and explain to you. I've ordered these 3 products before I made this Black Friday purchase, and they're still not here. I don't understand. Like, they've been in the same place for like the past 2 weeks. So I'm super frustrated. I'm going to email Ulta today and see what they can do or what it is. But I did purchase this, I want to say it's the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, because I realized, wow, I'm going to do a full face of first impressions and I don't have an eyeshadow palette to try. Wow. So I saw that. I ordered it because the colors were pretty. It's an all matte palette, I believe, and super, super appealing colors to me. Then I got a Super Shock shadow from ColourPop because, again, the eye palette is all matte. So I was like, what if I want some shimmer? Let me get something that I haven't tried. So I got a Super Shock shadow. And then I got a liquid liner from Essence. It's a matte eyeliner. It's an all black matte eyeliner. So yeah, I want to say I got everything for a full face of first impressions. I did have a moisturizer, which was supposed to come in my BoxyCharm, and hopefully it'll be here by the time I film my first impressions, but if not, it is okay. Okay, Okay, so as you can see, I have different makeup on and it's a different day, but I just literally ran downstairs and got this package so I can insert it into this video before I post it. I was just done editing it and now I gotta edit it a bit more for this clip, but I got the other 3 products so I can include them in this Ulta haul. Okay, so the first product is the Essence Super Last eyeliner. This is matte black. This is what it looks like. And this has been out in this snowy cold, so it's probably frozen-ish. So, yeah. So that seems to be pretty black. We'll see if it dries down matte by the time I'm talking about the other 2 products. So then I got the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Sailor. Super pretty color, super cute. Just twist open and let's see what this looks like. Oh, that's pretty. Again, this is in the shade Sailor. It has like this iridescent type of like color to it. I think this is going to be a pretty like topper type of color. The product that I've been dying for is a eyeshadow palette. This is from Juvia's Place. This is the Warrior 2 palette. How freaking cute. Again, this is like super big. I don't know why I thought it was going to be like a small eyeshadow palette. So it comes bubble wrapped nicely. And then this is the palette. It is really big for just 9 pans, which I can only assume that the actual pans inside the palette are going to be huge, like the other palette that I have from them. It covers my face. That's how big it is. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this. Look at these colors. How freaking pretty. It's a 9-pan eyeshadow palette, all matte. I think I'm going to love this. Man, this I could use to set down my concealer. I could use this in the crease, this in the crease, those in the crease, these on the outer corner. I could use that on the lid if I want to keep it an all matte look. Got a deep, deep brown and a nice black. I could use that for my eyebrows. I could use this for contour, bronze. If I would have knew this was out for delivery, I probably would have used this in my first impressions. You will see in like the next few videos, I did a full face of first impressions and I really wanted to use this eyeshadow palette, but I will be doing another full face of first impressions. I have a new foundation, mascara, all that good stuff, and I will be using this. So yeah, now we can move on to the regular scheduled video. Editing Serenity here. I did forget to mention that I got this wallet from Target. I will have a video here somewhere, and I also forgot to mention this new phone case that I got that I currently have on my phone, so I will insert a video as well. So yeah, that is what I'm referring to when I speak about like not really having everything that I ordered from Ulta. But again, that wasn't really from my Black Friday purchase, so I guess it doesn't really count. So on that note, that brings this video to an end. If you guys enjoyed, drop a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop them down below. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go. I would love to have you guys join the Rose family because, you know, why not? You made it this far. Just go and hit that subscribe button, sis. I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.